The question is, can
Yes, sir.
a
Yes, sir.
professional
Yes, sir.
certify
Yes, sir.
projected financials
Yes, sir.
given by a client
Yes, sir.
for whatever purpose?
Yes, sir.
In principle, the
Yes,
answer
sir.
is no.
Yes, sir.
And why in principle the answer is no? The
Yes, sir.
answer in principle is no, because
Yes,
you
sir.
can certify only something which is factual.
Yes, sir.
So if it is projected,
Yes, sir.
obviously you cannot certify, because how do you
Yes.
certify?
Yes, sir.
But I understand the query that you have
Yes,
as
sir.
to if the client
Yes, sir.
wants, if the
Yes, sir.
client wants,
Yes, sir.
if the client wants
Yes, sir.
for the purpose of bank or
Yes,
whatever,
sir. Yes, sir.
so then what you can do is
Yes.
you will have to qualify it.
Yes, sir.
And how do you qualify it? You qualify it saying what? So you say that we have received
Yes, sir.
projected financial statements
Yes, sir.
from the company so and so
Yes, sir.
for the purpose of
Yes, sir.
taking financial
Yes, sir.
loan from
Yes, sir.
a bank.
Yes, sir.
We have also obtained
Yes, sir.
from the company
Yes, sir.
statement of assumptions
Yes, sir.
used for the purpose of making financial projections.
Yes, sir.
We have very
Yes, sir.
closely
Yes, sir.
scrutinized
Yes, sir.
the statement of assumptions given by the company,
Yes, sir.
and we are of the view
Yes,
that
sir.
the statement of assumptions used by the company for the
Yes, sir.
purpose of making those financial projections,
Yes,
in
sir.
our view, in our
Yes, sir.
opinion,
Yes, sir.
appears to be realistic.
Yes, sir.
And since the assumptions appear to be realistic,
Yes, sir.
therefore, in our opinion, the financial projections made by the company for availing financial assistance from a bank or a financial institution
Yes, sir.
appears to be in order.
Yes, sir.
That is what you can say.
Okay, sir.
You
Okay, sir.
cannot certify that
Yes, sir.
the financial certificate, projections, balance sheet is given to you, P&L is given to you, cash flow is given to you, and you say certified and put your name
Yes,
and
sir.
signature. That is going to be completely wrong, and
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
should not be done.
That has to be whether that will be going to be mandatory from the registered valuer. They have to do this activity like that. Anything is come will come, sir,
No, see,
in future.
this is not a valuation professional's job.
Yes, sir.
This is something which anybody can do.
Okay,
So,
sir.
depending on the requirement of the lender, whether the lender is wanting the certificate from a chartered accountant, cost
Yes, sir.
accountant, or from a company
Yes, sir.
secretary,
Yes, sir.
it can be given by them. Now, in
Yes, sir.
this certification, there is
Yes,
no
sir.
need for a valuation professional to do it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
But
sir.
in case if the company is wanting that this certificate they need from a valuation professional, a
Yes, sir.
valuation professional who is qualified and a member, qualified member, he
Yes, sir.
also can do it. But
Okay, sir.
he will have to follow the same process which I have
Yes, sir.
explained a little
Okay,
while
sir.
ago actually. In that there will not be any change. And please remember, it will not be certification.
Yes, sir.
It will be an opinion and not certification, because there is a difference between a certificate and an opinion.
Okay, sir.
Certificate means you are authenticating something to be true. That is
Yes, sir.
certification. Opinion is something which can be always open to
Yes, sir.
discussion actually, and
Right.
that you can do.